National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois until 9:15 a.m. At 8:36 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Mendota, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Serena around 9 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Prairie Center, Norway, Triumph, Millington, Harding, Troy Grove, Dayton, and Wedren. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm